Alright, another thing from CM Storm. I got a QuickFire Rapid keyboard. Yes, they make QuickFire Rapid keyboards. Like, again, I'm more of an editing computer guy, but hey, they're throwing it in, I'm taking it. So, this is, looks like this thing's going to open up like this. Quick unboxing. I mean, this thing got some weight to it. This thing feels like a brick of gold, I'll tell you right now. This thing is not moving off your desk. It's definitely wireless. I don't know if there's anything else in this box that I'm missing. Oh, there's some cool buttons you can pop off and replace, it looks like. That's pretty neat if you're into, it says Cooler Master. I'm down with that because I got one of them. Always wanted one of those cases. And looks like it's got USB if you want. Oops, I just knocked in my camera, almost knocked it off the thing here. Alright, this thing has got some weight to it. This thing seems like it's built like a console. Let's see. Yeah, you know, I think I'm going to be able to edit a whole lot faster. I mean, this thing is cool. I have to say, you know, when you pay for quality, you really get it. So, like I said, it's the CM Storm. I mean, I just really wish I was a gamer. I'm sure there's a bunch of guys complaining right now saying, why did the winner go to a video editor? But you know what? I can play some games. I'll go out and take on some PC killers. So anyway, awesome keyboard. Really impressed.